Today, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be building in something big. We're building in the Corsair 4000D Airflow. We're taking this and turning it into this. Today, we're helping out my favorite streamer, SenpaiShy_. He's going to be building his own PC inside the Corsair 4000D Airflow using NVIDIA's latest RTX card. He's been wanting to level up his streams because he's only streaming at 720p currently. He's currently utilizing a Surface Duo to make his streams, as well as his Xbox and a capture card only. But along with streaming, he's allowed to play the latest games such as Valorant, Battlefield 2042 when it comes out, and Halo Infinite. Those are his biggest titles that he's been wanting to game on using this monster. So let's get going. Before we jump into the parts list, let's talk about where we picked them up from. Because we all know RTX cards are really hard to come by already, we picked this up at Central Computers in the Bay Area. They already have a great selection of various 3080 cards, well 3080 Ti specifically, and some 3060 cards and some AMD cards there too. But the only caveat is you had to buy them with a specific bundle. So in our case, we had to pick up 3 specific components before we were allowed to purchase the RTX. We were hit with a choice right away. We could either do the 3700X or the 5600X. The 5600X is the latest and greatest AMD's generation, and it offers a better single core score, whereas the 3700X is more important in terms of the multi-core score, but slightly better only. And because he's a streamer, it might be a better choice. But I told him because it's the latest generation and it has a better single core score as well as gaming score, he went with the 5600X. And because they're the same price, why not? Next, the CPU cooler, the Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition. This is purely aesthetics, as you can pick up any cooler that you want. But he wanted to match his build with just a touch of RGB in the fan. The third component that we got in the bundle was the PSU. We went with the Corsair RM750 watt. Go with Corsair's build quality, and this was priced similarly to other retailers at the time. It's also enough juice that if he were to upgrade any of his main components, he's got enough capabilities to get to a 3070 as well as maybe even a 5800X if he wanted to. Lastly, the GPU. This was based on a couple of things: the availability, his budget, and because of his current monitor, which is an MSI Optics G27C5. This is a 27-inch curved monitor, 1080 and 165 Hz. With all that being said, we went with EVGA's RTX 3060 XC3 Gaming. This provides him great value at the 1080 spot, as well as he can sign up for the step-up program if he were to want to jump to a 3060 Ti or even 3070 with a newer monitor. For the RAM, we went with Corsair Vengeance RGB 16GB at 3600. This is great speed and value compared to other purchases at the time, and it matches his blackout theme with some RGB. As for the motherboard, we went with the MSI B550 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. This is the latest gen, as well as it has the black aesthetics with a small touch of RGB. It has nice features which include the USB 3.2 as well as the Type-C. As for the hard drive, he's using a 1TB Samsung 870 EVO. And for the case, he went with the Corsair 4000D Airflow. He wanted a clean looking case that offers good airflow, comes with 2 fans, and provides good cable management system already for new and experienced builders.
The stream, here we go. It's alive. We got a working PC. Well, we gotta make sure.
That was fun. We definitely had a good blast building this together on stream. It was pretty nerve-wracking watching him a little bit, but he definitely managed through it. And I think it's always great to have a friend by your side when putting a PC together. If you enjoyed this, definitely give this a thumbs up. Put in the comment section down below if you liked his components, what he would have wanted to change, as well as what kind of games he should be playing first. Thanks again to SenpaiShy. Go check out his stream, all right, on Twitch. Give him a follow, give him a sub, all right, shout him out. Dropped it all down below. And again, thanks for checking this video out. Catch you guys next one. Peace. Oh, okay. I don't know where to start. Oh. Okay. All right, long waited. He's finally picking up all his parts, or the most important one, the GPU in this man's hand right here. See, it's so crazy he has to wear gloves with it. That's how important it is. Tell me how you feel right now.
I don't know. I'm shook.
Poor too?
I'm poor. My bank account hurts.
Oh my
but it's
God.
well worth it.
This is insane.
Don't jab it in there or else you'll screw it up.
Got it.
I'm shaking, guys.